I'm Anastasia. I'm here at the Greater New York Dental Meeting. And you know what? Biolase has got some awesome products here. And I've got the Senior Product Manager, John. John, tell us a little bit about what's new for dental hygienists and why it's important for us to use this and amp up our periodontal therapy program.
Anastasia, welcome. So what's new here at the Greater New York, we have a new product called Epic X, which is a diode laser that will allow hygienists and dentists to delight their patients faster. That's the core message for Epic X, is that it brings to market and brings innovations into the hands of the hygienist that will allow the hygienist to speed up treatment time and incorporate lasers into their hygiene and periodontal maintenance programs that will have better patient results and delight your patients faster. So some of the innovations that are included in Epic X are these new pre-initiated tips for surgery. So as a hygienist, if you're using a diode laser now, it's not permitted in all markets, but where you're permitted to use, if you're doing laser pocket therapy and removing diseased tissue inside the pocket, you have to initiate the tip, which means you have to darken it on a piece of articulated paper or on cork. These new pre-initiated tips, which are exclusive to Biolase, allow the hygienist to insert the tip on the handpiece and get to work right away.
So you're saving time.
Minutes,
That's
moments.
a big concern for hygienists, which is awesome.
Yeah. So that's the main innovation relative to the hygiene world, is those pre-initiated tips. We know that hygienists, and we've learned a lot from hygienists, that their appointment times are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, but they're expected to do this much more.
Exactly.
So this innovation helps speed the treatment and get them to market faster.
That's fabulous. Now tell me about, wasn't it Epic 10 that you had? So what's the difference between Epic 10 and where it's going now?
That's a great question. So Epic X was rebuilt from the ground up. So Epic 10 was a great laser. In fact, our research shows it was the best-selling dental diode laser in the 2.5 years it's been out. Epic X was rebuilt from the ground up. So all new software, all new hardware and components, which results in a better experience for the dental practitioner and the patient. There's no reliability issues. There's no issues at all with the laser going down. If there is a chance that something happens, the Epic X also brings what we're calling the reliability assurance program, where if this goes down within 24 hours, a replacement unit is in your hands, so you don't have to reschedule patients. You can keep up with your schedule and everything is in place.
That's huge because, you know, once a patient commits to periodontal therapy, it's very important to keep that appointment. So it's nice to know you have a product that not only you can save time with the tips, but if something does happen, you have the backing of the company to help you to continue to, you know, provide a service that obviously affects your health and your smile. So
very good.
That is fabulous. Well, look, I encourage you. You know, where can we find you? Where can we find out more about this awesome product?
Good question. So you can learn more at biolase.com. It actually released today, December 1st, so it's available for sale immediately. If you go to biolase.com, there's information there you can look up on the website for, and you're good to go.
Great. Hey, and if you're at the Greater New York Dental Meeting, make sure you stop by Biolase and ask for John. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.